Hi folks, my name is Ron Steele, the owner and certified technician of GreenPro Cleaning, where we green clean almost anything. Today I'm going to show you guys how we use our spinning surface washer to make your driveways and sidewalks look clean and new again. For more information, go to greenprocleaning.com or call 615-589-2444 for a free estimate. Here we go. Okay folks, I hope you enjoyed that. That's how it's done by a professional cleaning company like GreenPro Cleaning. And remember, whenever we can, we use only low pressure or high pressure water to clean your surfaces unless we need solutions, and then we use eco-friendly solutions to be safe for you, your family, and the environment. For more information, go to greenprocleaning.com or call 615-589-2444 for your free estimate or more information. Thanks y'all. Have a great day.